Ramadan is here, Ramadan is here, Ramadan is here, and the second day of Ramadan, lot of gifts I have a lot of gifts to me. CICADA3302 by Darwin. Okay, come to second day of Ramadan. So I beat this level, yeah, and I will give you about this level. This does up. Oh my god, no. When I first progress, god, I'm not in this spot. Every time, like this shape, like here, there is a two change. First, you will land this block and jump flying to this spike, and it's so annoying to get that. And two, you will not land in this, and just that's the main route. The previous update, this click is so annoying. If you hold click, you will die at this block. And now in new update, they fixed this block, so we can hold this now. Yeah, it's just that this is easy demon level. I mean, easy extreme. But yeah, okay, that's all this review, and now I will show my progress. What the hell? Mas itu. gitu. I a bit. Okay. I beat it. Okay. A bit. Thank you. Yes. Tinggal ko doang eh.